One look at you, my whole life falls in line.
Hi babe, it's been exactly 5,116 days since we met. Madami nang nangyari, but here we are finally. I want to thank you for being there for me through and through. You care for me every time, especially when I am sick. That was the time that I know you were the one.
From 2011 until now, babe, you know me better than anyone else in this world. And somehow still you manage to love me from our ups and downs.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love.
You prove to me how much you care and love me. You have been my constant since we started dating. You are the rock of our relationship. I know alam mo naman I love you, but I guess sometimes I cannot express it properly. But know that I love you, and I will always love you. I promise to be with you in the biggest and littlest happenings of your life. I promise, sa bawat ikaw, merong ako.
I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. When it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me.
Hi, babe. It feels like yesterday since the first day I saw you when you were just a little kid. Playing in front of your house. That was year 2000. Nanonood ako ng nagbi-billiards noon sa inyo, kaso nung nakita kita, naging crush na kita kaagad. At ikaw na lang yung pinanood ko. Uy! Ever since that day, kapag dumadaan yung sasakyan nyo, yung StarX, excited ako na baka makita kita. Inaabangan ko araw-araw pag nasa pangatlan ako. Tuwing nakikita kita, nakukumpleto kasi yung araw ko
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
January 2011, hindi ko na maalala yung pinod natin sa sinihan kaso sobrang focus ko sa'yo. June 1, 2011, that was the day you suddenly kissed me. Kasi di mo na matiis sa sobrang na-inlove ka na sa kagwapuan ko.
Finally see, we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Here we go. And now,
Charles, you may now kiss your wife. Amo po. Magreklamo itang cameraman. Eka na mekwa. Metong pa. Sige. Tinantala pong masiga na palakpakan.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Charles, so congratulations. Sana pamagkasawa ay biro na balo ko'y mamo masayaya naman hanggang layo. Ingat na mo and God bless.
Thank
I
you.
love you.
Love you. Love you both. Love you, Mama.
Thank you, Ma. Balo kung may stress ka, this kayong kasal ko. Thank you for, syempre, giving life to me. And for always supporting me. And us. Charles.
Come talk with me, stay and watch the day grow. I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. Come stand with me.
Ang zipper, ano ho, di ba may zip sa gitna? Kahit nagko-complement yung magkabilaan, kung wala yung zip sa gitna, hindi sila magiging isa. Ganyan din yung pagsasama ninyo. Kahit nagko-complement pa kayo, pero kung wala ang Diyos sa gitna ng pagsasama ninyo, maaari kayong maghiwalay. Pero kapag nandyan ang Diyos, panigurado, magiging mag-isa kayo kahit ano pang unos ang pagdaanan ninyo.
Wouldn't miss it for the world.
Kami, katanggapan mi, Charles sa Chungini, Kenny ang tunay mong esposo at asawa, agpangking iutos ning Santa Iglesia Apostolica Romana.
Opo, tatanggapan ke.
O Charles, tatanggapan mi, Camila Chungini, Kenny ang tunay mong esposa at asawa, agpangking iutos ning Santa Iglesia Apostolica Romana.
Opo, tatanggapan kayo po.
And I wouldn't miss it for the world.
To be faithful and supportive to you and to always make our family love happiness. I will be yours in plenty and in what in sickness and in health. In failure and in triumph, I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. You are my person, my love, and my life, today, always, and